Here's my 2021 room makeover. Okay, so the aesthetic I'm going for is called pastel postmodern Danish. Mainly, the whole vibe of this room is just gonna be those bendy candles. You know what I'm talking about. It's gonna include a lot of pastels. A lot of this is going to be thrifted and on a budget, so I'm not going to be buying many things. That's kind of my challenge for the video. A very clean and tidy space with like some funky vases, and I can't wait to get started. Let's do some befores. Okay, so quick plan of this room. I do share it with my sister, so there's gonna have to be 2 beds. I'm gonna be replacing the vines with maybe some artwork. It's just not my style anymore. That was like, I don't know, like a TikTok bedroom. I'm gonna hopefully replace the sheets and stuff, but the layout's gonna stay almost the same. I actually do really love this desk. It just gets too like crowded almost, and there's no matching aesthetic for it. And almost change like the complete aesthetic of this room. My gosh, look at how much better that looks. Now, something I've been wanting to do for a while. I liked the vines in the beginning, but now I'm kind of sick of them. Like after I took down everything, it just made it look so much brighter in my room. So I'm going to take down the vines. Last video with the vines up, check. Also, they did once, like they sometimes fall down. I once actually stepped on a tack, which was kind of scary. So plain. There it is. I'm gonna be buying some prints and putting up there, maybe also a shelf. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with my butterfly. The butterflies over there yet, because I don't know what I'm gonna put there, so I don't want to take them down yet. Yeah, my room looks pretty clean and empty. So here's my Home Depot haul, because I just got back from Home Depot. I got this plantalone. It's a pothos hanging plant. It was only $10, and this is going to be hanging off of my shelf. It looks very pretty. Let's all place bets in the comments on how long we think it's gonna last. I got a plant pot for it, so I can paint that. And these little flowers, because I want to put them in like little vases. And then I got this tropical plant. That's what it's called, and this is also gonna go on my shelf. I also got a piece of wood to go right there to make a shelf. Okay, I need to change into painting clothes. Okay, we have a lot of things to paint. The way I'm gonna be building this shelves is placing a piece of wood, which I'm gonna paint on these 2 brackets, that onto the wall. I'm also gonna paint these, but I think they're gonna look very good together. Here's the piece of wood I'm talking about. I'm actually going to cut it. I forgot to do that. Here are all the pots I'm going to be painting. Keep away from me. Pew pew! I just need to sand down the little rough edges. Exactly what this tool is, but let's crack open this paint. Obviously white. It's just gonna look good with the walls. And I'm not talking about Louis Tomlinson's album. Ooh, that's gonna need some mixing. I found this old stick, and I don't actually, I don't think anyone would mind if I used it for this. I don't think anyone really cares about me painting this. So here's the before and the after. I also painted those things. Now I'm going to paint the pots like different pastel colors, kind of what I did with like the fake plants. This is a super cute pink pot, and this is before on this one. The after, they're looking very cute. And finally, the befores and the the actors. They are both very, very cute. I love these pastel colors, and they're gonna look great in my room. This is also about dry, so I'm gonna start putting up my shelves. Time to get screw driving. Okay, finally is the reveal. Oh, ta-da! Now I'm going to decorate it. It's already looking super good. And with these flowers, I'm actually gonna try and pot them in these cute little cups, mugs I have. Let's see how that works. I don't know, do you guys like it? I feel like it looks a little too grandma-y, even though that's kind of the look I'm going for. Here it is so far. I'm gonna put the mirror in the like center-ish and then some more things I get from the thrift store. But it's looking so much better. Okay, so the DIY I'm gonna do right now is the bendy candle thing. I'm sure you've seen it all over TikTok, all over Pinterest. I'm a little late to this trend because I tried it, but I don't think I had the right type of candles. So I got these from Michael's. They're called like taper tapper candles. They were like $1.50 each. I've seen some cheaper ones, some more expensive ones. But to sum it all up, I'm gonna soak it in hot water for like 15 minutes and let's see if this works. Hopefully it does because the designs people do are super duper cute. Now we're gonna unwrap the plastic on the candles. If I can figure out how to. Two more to go. Okay, into the water they go. Okay, so this one was not ready when I was trying to bend it, so it snapped. Then I tried to bend it again and it snapped again, so I just like melted it together. It's fine, but now I'm gonna try getting started on these ones because they kind of feel ready. You wanna go really slow. Maybe I should wait even a little bit more, I don't know. They're actually bending. I don't know how. Maybe I can set up my camera like this. Okay, sorry for the line. I really don't want to break them. So I'm doing it under the water because I saw that that was the best way. My computer is overheating, but I forgot to say that the original thing says to do like 15 minutes, but I put it in for like an hour because it was not working. Do not bend it if it's like if you can't bend it. Does that make sense? Okay. I'm just gonna do a simple curve. That is so cool. This desk gets really messy, but I'm trying to keep it clean, so... No! 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 Oh my god. No! Okay, we can bluff that. No! Please, this was like my favorite thing. Okay, I just think this candle was meant to be a weird squiggle side candle that I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm still obsessed with all the pastel colors, even though that's broken. They just look very good, the decorations. So now I'm gonna clean it. And here's the after of the desk. It looks much better. Next I'm gonna tackle the back of my door, which is my coat hanger. I'm only gonna really put the pretty pieces and maybe like one or two jackets I actually wear. Here's the before of the coat hanger and kind of useless, but looks prettier. Okay, next up I'm gonna take down these disposable camera film things. First of all, they're not full, like the wall's not gonna be full for a while until I get another one developed. Also, they just won't match with the aesthetic of my room. So I'm gonna find another place to put these. I really like them, they just don't fit. I just found this mirror from when I was a baby, and it's so cute. It's perfect pastel blue, pastel pink. It's a little bit broken just because it is so old, but it fits perfectly with the room. It is day 2 of this room makeover, and I'm still rocking the same jacket, but now we're gonna get started on this project. I don't know if you guys have seen the Pinterest, maybe TikTok too, little clay squiggles around the mirror. I'll insert a few pictures. I think it's really cute, and this is going to be one of the items that's going to be going on the shelf over my bed. This is the clay, so just like my other projects, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some clay, roll it out a lot, and then I'm going to twist it around. And I don't know how I'm going to attach it to the mirror because I don't want it to be permanent. I fixed it up a little bit, and then after it dries, which will take about 2 days, I'm going to paint it probably blue. And I think it's gonna look kind of cool, kind of funky. Hi guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the final room and give it a little room tour. Okay, are we ready? Let's go.
They call me Mr. Tips.
Excuse me, my name is ANNI. No need to panic. I'm black. I'm built for action. Seeing you laughing, your smile is really blind, and I hoped you could tone it down some. But now that I got closer, I really don't even mind it. Predictable. Of course, I come up to you just because you're so beautiful. Talk about how your beauty is so impeccable, but I'm stuck. Not staring, but listening to the words that you're saying and how you're saying it's been drawing me in closer. But I should probably pull away. That's all I want to say today. So carry on your sweet way.
Okay, finally I can show it. Let me walk you through it. So starting with the door right here, I moved the coat because it kind of just looked ugly. And I put it with bags that my mom made like a long time ago. They're pretty cute. The next corner, this is like my obsessions corner. Starting off, I got some magazine clippings, a One Direction poster, Harry and Niall, and you can see that I'm storing my JoJo Siwa bows on them right now. Oh no, this one's falling. Stay. Then I was going through my magazines and I found the Taylor Vogue cover shoe. At first I didn't recognize her. I was like, wait, that looks like her? I really love them. It's kind of perfect for this spot right here because you can see it's really small. There's a door right there and a door right there. I'll walk you through the pictures real quick. I just found like all the Taylor Swift photos. I made this in a vlog, and I made this. I love how this turned out. That's the pin right there. Attack, whatever you call it. Here's Louie as a baby, Dolly and Miley Cyrus and Montana. We have a little warning, no Simon Cowbell here. Some Niall photos, no Centennial, so every day I look into the mirror and no Centennial's there. It's another one of his quotes that just don't make sense. Screenshot that if you want. Okay, then we have Mermaid Harry or Mermary. We have the Pope and then like the Midnight Memories album. The boys, they came in a magazine I got for like $5, $7, I don't know. Look at how cute they are. It's all of them in their fetus stages. We have Ed Sheeran, the Queen, and then Harry on a mermaid. My friend, and then Chloe from Dance Moms. A stupid quote she said, you guys can also You can read it if you want. I think this is probably my favorite spot in my room that I made over. Before it had those vines and it was just like a TikTok bedroom. Okay, we're not gonna talk about that stage. So I have my plants, which has stayed alive for like 3 months. Probably my record. I actually need to water them. Found that circle mirror at Target for $5 in like the, I don't know, the sales section. You guys know what I'm talking about. And then you guys saw those plants from Home Depot. I got that Harry magazine from Barnes & Noble. We made that mirror, we made that candle, and we made that plant. Well, we didn't make the plant. But my bedding's not really that fun because I'm moving out soon. By the way, I'm gonna go to like a high school and I'm gonna board there, so that means I'm gonna have my own dorm room. Maybe I'll explain it in another video. Here's a frog that my brother got me when I was like 3. I've had this blanket forever. My mom actually made it, and then that stuffed animal too. His name is Sheepy. I know, pretty creative. And if anybody's wondering, my pillow setup is like the memory foam pillow and then 1 squishy pillows. I don't use those pillows. Okay, next, this is not my favorite spot, but my mom said I couldn't paint this because it's like antique or something, I don't know. My clock, which I use every single day, I just like having it there, so I wake up in the morning. I have this little lamp that I had when I was really young. I think it's really cute. It's a little dog or poodle. It's kind of soft. We have Susie and Peppa, and then this like rainbow light reflector. It doesn't always work. Then this is the spot that I need your guys' help with. What should I put there? Because it's kind of like a small space and I need something that will match with that. I was looking for some artwork, but it kind of seemed too hard and stuff. So this part, you guys know I've been wanting to get rid of this dresser for so long, but it hasn't happened yet. So I have my books and then a candle that you guys saw me break and plant, and then I made a gibbet jar, so if anybody wants some gibbets, hit me up. Okay, and then another one of my favorite spots, a really loud motorcycle or dirt bike, whatever. I got this dresser from my mom's friend. It originally was kind of like this ugly color. I think oh sorry, there's stains. I think I painted it all up, but I painted it white, which makes it look so much better. I really love it. And the plant, when the plant's not there, it looks really short, but the plant kind of lengthens it. I don't know. I'll walk you through some of the things. A bag my mom made. Plant. Some cool cameras my sister found at the thrift store that are cool. My poor candle that broke. It literally looks so good, but I just like twisted it. Some plants. All my pens and stuff. I don't really like how this looks, but there's not much else I can do. My bullet journals. My like skincare spinny thing like this. I really like it. It's very helpful. Here's my computer and then my Nile photos. They're awesome. And then I found this mirror. I already showed you guys that. Yeah, hey guys. And then a candle back there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. For watching this video. I liked making room makeovers. And I'm constantly changing my rooms. So I might do another one of these in the near future. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.